Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Mindfulness with Pratibha. In today's video, I'm going to tell you 3 mistakes that people do while doing Ho'oponopono and that should be avoided. So first of all, as you know that Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian technique which has amazing 4 phrases in it like I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. So these are magical phrases that one should always apply in their life. But there are people who make mistakes while doing Ho'oponopono. So today I'm going to tell you that please don't make these mistakes while doing Ho'oponopono prayer because then you might not get that amazing results in your life. So first mistake is that being desperate. When you are desperate to acquire something, to manifest something, to even while doing Ho'oponopono, if you're feeling desperation to get out of any situation or negativity that is happening and you are doing it very harshly, that let's do Ho'oponopono and clear it, and with that desperation when you do it, it might not work. Instead, if you get calm, if you feel relax yourself, then do Ho'oponopono. It will always work. So first of all, remove your desperation while doing it. And if you are desperate, just take a pause for some time and then do it. Secondly, you should be very responsible for any situation that you are going through. Like if you are having a lot of negativity around you, any situation, conditions, surroundings, anything that is happening, you should own it and not ignore it or run away from it. Because owning will always you are responsible for all this situation that you've created, and so it will always have that good impact that yes, the universe is watching you, that you are taking this responsibility. So owning your responsibility is the second one. And third is to be consistently doing this Ho'oponopono prayer in all areas of life. So this has to be like a lifestyle and not be when some people get results in their life, they simply don't do it because they feel that that's it, that's over now, I don't need it. But it is not. When you follow this ritual, when you follow this Ho'oponopono prayer daily as a lifestyle, you will see that amazing results for your entire life, and you will have lot of success in all areas of life like health, relationship, career, and money. And you will be amazed that with these beautiful sentences for all the things, you are such lovely, attracting success, abundance, growth, everything that you want in your life. So I hope that you don't make these mistakes and follow these things that I've told you while doing Ho'oponopono prayer. And if any of you want to have more support in any area of life, then I am here to help you, support you, because I take daily sessions from Monday to Friday where I can guide you, where I can make you do some practices with Ho'oponopono prayer that gives you lot of results in a quicker way. So if you are looking out for some support, if you want to make your life abundance in a very quicker way, then you should join it. So hope this makes sense. So thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.